Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Not that big a deal, but this is really a Microsoft Word type effect. So if you get your text tool and text right there and you hit the backspace key, you're backing up one letter at a time. But if you put it right here and you hold down the control key, it will delete a word at a time. It's not that big a deal for Corel unless you do, I guess, a lot of writing. And matter of fact, it won't even come back because I guess it's gone. Because you can do any of that with the cursor and just highlight it and hit delete. But that is, another just an option. If you want to delete just those letters, you can do that. But with the backspace, and then if you want to delete that whole word, just hold down the control button and the backspace. Little simple thing. Maybe you thought you'd enjoy that. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.